First.
Hey everyone, it's Allie with ACD Toys, and I am here today with our $10 challenge, and we were challenged by ToyCrushed, and you can find the link to their YouTube page right up in the corner right here. And we are so excited to be part of this challenge. So these are the items that we got. We went to Kmart and we found some things on sale. This is one of them, and then these two were normal priced. And I was pretty excited to find this Shopkins Season 1 basket because I haven't ever opened a Season 1 basket, and so I didn't even know that they were putting them out still, which I thought was pretty cool. And I know a few people that are looking for certain ones out of Season 1, and so I wanted to check out if I was able to get them also. And then this is the My Little Pony blind bag, the Friendship is Magic, and this is the like glittery collection. So we have one of these already, but I was really hoping to get some more. And Kmart's the only store I have found so far that has been carrying them. I'm sure that there's other stores also that carry them. We right now have Princess Twilight Sparkle, and we also, maybe we have, there's one other one that we have, I could not figure out her name, but she was blue with like the diamonds on the side, and maybe it's Royal Riff, and I'm not really sure. Oh, Diamond Mint, I think that's it right there. Diamond Mint is the other one that we have. But I'm pretty excited to see which other ones we can get out of here. And then we also found this doll called Moxie Girlz. She was on sale for $4. And then the Shopkins basket and the blind bag were each $3. So we came out right at 10. So this little Moxie Girlz, I've never really seen them before. I feel like they probably have something to do close to the Bratz dolls, but correct me if I'm wrong, please. But this is the Yummy Land series, and we got Monet. And it looks like her ice cream is called Bubblegum Cream, and they all have some sort of ice cream treat with them, if you can see them on the back here. So she has like this really pretty pink and like blonde hair. It kind of reminded me of Miss Care Bear with like strawberry blonde kind of hair color. So alright, let's go ahead and open these and check them out. So first I'm going to do the Shopkins basket because I was really excited about this one. I might go back and get some more this weekend before they sell out of those ones, because I was pretty excited to find a Season 1 basket. I can open this. Maybe not. There we go. So this is just your regular blue basket that they started with. I have to say I really like the Season 3 baskets a little bit more, but that's alright. So let's see who we got. So there's two in here, and then here is our flyer. If I can get it out. So let's see who we got. This looks like probably one of the little baby puff ones. This looks like a powder of some sort. And oh no, it's not. It's Pepe Pepper. And this is from the pantry. And it is a common. So Pepe Pepper. Let's see. You can see right there. So this is Pepe Pepper, and it's blue and pink. That's why I thought it was a baby one, because it also has little tiny eyes and has this little arms that's holding it up, tissue for it to sneeze. So very cool. Alright, so that's our first season 1 blind bag from Shopkins, and here's our second. This one looks like a little lollipop. Oh, that one's really cute. Let's go see who it is. I'm sorry, I'm not up to date on the names yet with these ones. Lolly Poppins is who we got. You can see right there. And this is a rare. So we got a common and a rare in this basket. Super cute. I really like that one. That's a really cute one. Definitely, and really like those. Alright. So now let's go ahead and open up this My Little Pony blind bag. Alright. Looks like there's one of those holes right here that you can create a notch. But it's kind of hard to do because the card that's inside is in the way. Well, that's no help. Oh my goodness. Well, let's just try it. Yeah, that's easier than trying to open. So, let's see who we got. Ooh, this one's really pretty. We got Trixie Lula Moon. And Trixie Lula Moon is great at magic tricks. So here's a little card. It's already kind of bent up. I'm not sure if that's from me or somebody trying to feel what was inside of it. I really like her hair though. It's super spirally and glittery. Really pretty. And her little cutie mark is a moon, like a shooting star, I think. She's a very pretty blue and like a turquoise, which is one of my favorite colors. And so I really like her. And her eyes are really pretty. So I've never seen her before. I really, really like her. So very good one. Okay, let's get her set down with the Shopkins. And now let's open the Moxie Girl. So let's see. She was only $4, which is a pretty good deal. I really like watching these $10 challenge videos because then you can see what all you can get at different places for only $10, and that's, you know, sometimes that's all you have to spend for something, and so you want to get the most for the money that you have. She is all tied up in all sorts of tape. He has some scissors. Okay. Lots of little tags all over. And then let's... Oh, the ice cream cone is a hairbrush. Well, that is nifty, huh? Kind of helps keep her hair nice and managed. So there's her hairbrush. And let's get... can't get the plastic out of her hair. Okay, so here is the Moxie girl. We got her hair all out, and she has a lot of hair, and it's really bouncy and really pretty. So I really enjoy this doll. She's super cute. Her little dress has little polka dots on it. She's got some little high heel shoes on, and you just brush her hair with the ice cream cone. So a very cool little doll for only $4. That's a pretty good deal. Alright, let's check out everything that we got today, okay? Alright, so here's what we got today. We got a Moxie girl, and we got Monet. We have a My Little Pony. It's the Glitter series, and it's Trixie Lulamoon. And we have 2 Shopkins from season 1, and we have a rare and a common. So we got a pretty good little set today for our $10 challenge. I don't have any other channels to tag right now, but if you would like to make a video and take this challenge yourself, go ahead and tag me in it, and I will come check it out and see what you got. Also below, I will put our challenger, ToyCrushed, and maybe a few other people that are in this challenge. It's a huge mass collaboration between a lot of channels that did this. It was started by Gavin TV, and we are just so thankful that we were able to be a part of it, and we thought this was a really fun challenge to do, and to see how many people were able to get the most for their $10, which may not seem like a lot, but you can actually get quite a bit. Alright, and don't forget, right now we are doing our 50 subscriber giveaway. You can find the video below. I will link to it, and enter to win the prizes that I have in that video. We only have a couple of entries so far, so go ahead and check it out. Subscribe to us, like, share, and comment, and let us know what your favorite of the day was. Our favorite was the Moxie girl. Alright, we'll see you later. Bye!